Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the very creepy looking Ghostface. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin with, draw the eye area first. So it's just gonna be really simple. You can start out with just two curves like this, and then we're gonna go out. So we're gonna draw one at a time. Okay. So we're gonna swing it out, and then from the top here, just kind of start curving it. So it's gonna be a very tight turn, and then we come in. Then we're gonna draw a big curve on the back end. Okay, and right here, so turn it, curve inward, and then go back out. And this one's gonna be slightly bigger. And then from here, we're gonna just kind of straight down in the middle, just kind of draw the nose. So we just kind of turn it like this and just kind of come in. Let's draw a little curve. All right, and then from here, right below it, I'm gonna draw another curve like this. And this one's gonna go down quite a bit and just kind of taper it in so it's a little bit tighter on the bottom, and just close it off. Okay, so those are the three areas, and well, four areas, and then now all we have to do is just kind of go around it. So for the top here, we're just gonna go around the eye socket area and just turn it in. And then on this side is slightly different. We're gonna come out, so it's a little bit straighter. Then we curve it, and now we're just gonna follow the shape. Okay, and then from here we can draw in the bottom here. So right here we're just gonna pinch it in, and then this one's gonna go out slightly, and then just kind of come down. So same thing here. This is gonna come out and then come back in, and then all we have to do is just kind of come around the mouth area. Okay, so from here, let's draw in the hood. So right at the corner here, we're just gonna come up to the middle, and then we're gonna come back down to this corner. And then from here, we're just gonna go down all the way down to the jaw, bottom of the jaw. Okay, so that's the inside. So let's finish up the skull area here. We just add two curves. All right, so now let's finish off the hood on the outside. So we're just gonna kind of come around it, and on this part, you can make it a little bit wavy so it's not so straight. So this part I'm gonna have it come out and just kind of come back in, and then I'm gonna start back up here, and then I'm just gonna come down. So I'm trying to add some folds to this. Okay, so we're gonna come down here, and this is gonna be his shoulder. So we can finish off the middle first. We can add in just a little bit more folds right here. So it's being bunched up in here. Draw some lines. So now let's draw in the body, and so leave some space here for the arm. We're gonna start over here. That's the armpit, and we're just gonna come down. So this could be a little bit straighter, just simple curve. And then here's the belt. We're gonna draw one line across, and then we're gonna draw in a big knot here. And then we'll draw give this line some thickness. We can add in some lines to make it look like cloth. All right, and then from here we can draw in. Yeah, we'll just go ahead and draw in this loose cloth down here. Okay, and then from here let's draw in the arm. So this one's a little bit easier. It's just gonna be on the side. So here we're gonna come out, and then we're just gonna come down, kind of all the way down. Just give it a nice slant. And then here I'm gonna start here, and then I'm gonna stop there because I want to make a fold here. So I'm gonna start up here, just kind of go out. Okay, and then from here we're gonna draw in the sleeve area, the cuff. So we can draw in just some zigzags. And then once you have the zigzags, right at this line here, just kind of come up So now you're just giving it some fold. So like right here as well, we can just kind of come up a little bit. So now you look like you have some folds, right? Okay, so let's draw his hand. It's gonna be a little bit small. So here's his thumb. Just kind of curve it. And then here's his other finger. We're just gonna curve this and come back up. It's a little bit cartoony. Here's the other finger, curve it in, and it's gonna show up behind. And then I'll just draw one more here, the palm, and just kind of curve it in. Okay, and then let's see, on the, it's got some loose cloths here, so I'm just gonna start here, just kind of go out, and then we're gonna go up, and then I'm gonna start up here, and I'm just gonna add in a little bit of these shapes. So let's draw the other hand, and the other arm's gonna be holding his knife, so I'm gonna start out with the fist first. So just come up here, I'm gonna draw his hand. So we draw a curve like that. That's gonna be the back of the hand. And then one finger, 2, 3, and then just tuck this one in for 4. And then for his thumb, it's just gonna be right here. Okay, so let's draw in the blade. While it's holding, here's the handle, which is gonna come up, and we'll give a little bit of detail at the end. A tip, and then come down here, give a little bit detail there, and then now we'll draw the blade itself. So we're gonna come down, slight curve, and start back up here, come out, and then we're just gonna connect it with a slight curve. All right, and we can add in another section here, just one little line for the sharp part of the blade. All right, so once we have this, now we can connect the arm. So we're just gonna come out here, just kind of curve it down and go behind the hand. And this part just kind of come down. And then right here, I'm just gonna give it draw one line like this and then one curve. Okay, so it looks like drapery. And we can also draw in a little line this way too. And then let's draw this part here over on this side. So I'm gonna start here, just kind of come down a little bit. I'm gonna curve it up. And then I'm gonna draw in those shapes again. All right, so let's move on to the legs. So for the rope, we're just gonna continue this down and just kind of give it a little bit of a waviness to it. So it's gonna wave in and out, just slightly. Okay, and then from here, now we're gonna draw in some bigger zigzags. It's all the way around. And then once you have this, you can draw in, continue these lines a little bit. Just kind of go up slightly. So now it looks like cloth. And we can add in a little bit more detail up here so that it looks like bunched up cloth. So just draw a couple of lines, and even for the waist down here, you can draw in some lines like this, make it look like cloth. All right, so now let's draw in his legs. So it's gonna be really simple. So we're just gonna come down, all the way down here, and then this part is just gonna go out, and then we'll just close it off. Okay, so there's not much detail there. So again, same thing, come down, go all the way down, and come down straighter, down, and then this one's gonna go out, hook it, and then close it off. And then now lastly, just add in some of the back pieces of the robe. So just draw a few of these. And that is it for this Ghostface from Scream. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.